Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the dustbin emptying frequency on ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To change the dustbin emptying frequency, you'll need to simply tap on dock right here in the app, go to dock settings, dustbin auto empty frequency, and you can set it to off so it will not do that. You can either manually empty the dustbin by taking it out of the robot and emptying it, or by going into the app, clicking on dock, I'll show you that in a moment, and then selecting auto empty, or you can set it to balanced, which will do that after the cleanup, or high if you have homes or several carpets. Then the high one would be more suitable because it can then return to the dock to empty the dustbin during cleaning. Now, as I said, I'll show you how to empty the dustbin into the dust bag automatically, but manually enabling that. You need to go to dock, then tap on empty, and it'll start doing that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.